Are your MySQL Oracle application failing because of the Libmysql Client Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. As we get into the manual process for Libmysql Client Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Libmysql Client Library, the primary library for the MySQL Client API. It allows Windows applications to connect to remote or local MySQL databases. Missing versions prevent web server stacks, WAMP and XAMPP, or database tools from connecting, reporting. The procedure entry point could not be located during the initial socket handshake. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Libmysql Client Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Libmysql Client Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32. Followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Libmysql Client Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Libmysql Client Library documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Libmysql Client Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.